Hello, Jelly. Wait a minute.
You know, your priorities are in order.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, good baby. You know what to do.
You do. Mostly.
There we go.
Okay.
Because
you are eager.
Yeah. Okay. Got her done.
Yeah.
All right. See what we get.
Alright, Jelly.
Jelly. Where'd the baby go? Let's see what Jelly has for us today.
I hear you all thumping around out there on the gate.
Getting colder, getting colder.
I don't know if you can see this, but it's making steam in my face. So I got a big sauna treatment. Milk sauna.
It's the best job when it's cold out. So today we're gonna make paneer. I hope we're saying that right.
If we're not, I apologize.
So anyways, it's the fastest, easiest way to make a cheese.
Also known as vinegar cheese.
Vinegar cheese. And there's a lot of different things that you can do to this recipe. It's pretty awesome that way.
Didn't we add some stuff to it that one time?
Oh yeah.
You know, that thing we did with the stuff in the thing?
Then we made Mad Scientist cheese. That's what we did.
What?
We made Mad Scientist cheese.
Oh yeah. We'll make that in another video if you guys want to see that.
Yeah, I think we can, yeah, we can do things with this one. So yeah, there's two ways to...
So my hand hurts from earlier.
Yeah, we were working on the barn, and so we were working pretty hard, and so...
Get a blister.
Oh no!
Because I forgot to put on my glove. Wear gloves.
Yeah, wear gloves when you're working. Alright then. Oh, you know what we forgot? Okay, and here's your jar.
Yeah.
Alright, see.
See how much Jelly gave us.
What did you give us, Jelly? Oh!
A little froth there straight through.
Alright then. That's a nice quart.
Which is about what we'll need. Ooh, what's in it?
And Jelly Belly.
There's
Oh.
this one. Pour that in. One of the reasons this cheese is so fast is because we heat it up to 190, which is above 160, so we don't have to pasteurize it.
Because it goes above the
Yeah, above pasteurized.
temperature.
Well, now we watch the pot.
We're going to watch the pot boil. And we're going to talk about cheese.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Well, we're gonna check it with our thermometer.
what we're starting out at.
It's about 100, which is utter temperature.
So it's a little bit colder because, well, it's cold.
Yeah,
And so we're going to go up to 190.
190. And once we hit that, we'll add some apple cider vinegar
And some salt. And let's see.
We've done this before.
This, yeah, our very, very first time.
Yeah, was,
Doing that.
I was like, what, 9? I was like 9.
You were 9. You were 9.
It was a 4-H presentation.
And then,
I had
yeah.
to make it in under 10 minutes.
Yes, and he had a 10-minute speech, and so
Yeah.
our one little baby cheat hack going on in there was we started with the milk warm before the speech
And
because
all the goats were pregnant and dry, so actually had to use cow milk.
had to use cow milk because it happened in March and the babies weren't due until April.
Yes.
Yeah, and you were
Should I get you
there.
alfalfa to entertain you so you don't eat all of the straw?
I gave it alfalfa to eat it already.
Joey,
Jelly, you're a good baby. Yes,
You're
you
a
are.
good baby.
You're a good baby.
you were helping so big.
You're helping so
earlier.
big.
I had to use a hammer earlier, and she kept trying to chew on it.
Yeah, because she's a good helper.
126. So
Hey, we're getting
there.
somewhere. We're getting
It's
somewhere.
thinking.
Right. And so,
Jelly.
Jelly,
And so jelly.
Jelly. Yeah, this is the part where you just chime in here anytime. And we're watching the pot boil. No, we're not watching.
No,
we're
wait,
gonna watch
because a
Jelly
watch
eat.
pot never boils.
So we're gonna watch Jelly.
We're gonna watch jelly.
Jelly.
Everyone else is giving the death stare over the gate.
Yeah, it's like why her?
Why her? Nothing.
Because she's best. We love it most.
We'll look at the floor. You ever notice how the floor is made of floor?
Floor. And then
Boo-boo's like,
yeah, and they're all like, yeah, okay.
I'm gonna check this again. Okay,
One more time.
that went up to 143.
Hey, we're getting somewhere.
It's thinking.
We're getting somewhere. You're eating straw. That's that bad. You
And
want an
then,
alfalfa with this jelly?
This,
Are you paying
this
attention?
cheese solidifies very fast, so once you strain it and press it, which we'll do, you could put it in the fridge if you want it to be really firm.
Yeah, and yeah, once it chills, then it becomes sliceable, or you
Yeah.
cut it into cubes and that sort of thing. And then
It's good fresh too.
yeah, it's good right out.
It's making noise. I don't know.
It's
if you
making
can hear
noise. It's making noise.
that. 153.
Hey, we're getting somewhere. And then, yeah, this can be done super quickly. Well, it's quicker because we're only using a quart, but that's pretty good
Yeah.
because, I mean, Jelly's been milking straight for 3
Yeah.
years since her last baby because, like, that last
And
baby,
then
that was
she's
enough.
12, 13.
No, she's so serious.
I'm
She's
sorry.
11.
I'm sorry.
She's, yeah, just adding
11.
Just adding a 0 to that, and that's like how I feel. Yes, I know. You're a baby. You're a baby.
Good old lady.
Yeah, I'm good. An old lady baby. Yeah. Yeah. You had enough out of this. Can you go home now?
More food. If there's more food, I'm fine with it.
You want an alfalfa? Yeah. Hit you up
Yeah.
with that alfalfa.
Just a little.
Just little.
Little snack.
So why little? Just give most. I am best. It's okay. That'll take 30 seconds.
Okay, but this is starting to steam.
And
And we're
you-
at 160. Oh, it's fluctuating a lot.
Okay.
67 seems to be
Okay.
the number.
Yeah. Still working on that 190.
Sometimes when it stirs, the numbers are all over the place.
Yeah.
So it's thinking.
Yeah.
You guys thinking? You look like you're thinking over there.
They look. I think they're seething. I think that's what.
I think they're sleepy. They're sleep standing.
Yeah, sleep standing, ruminating. Okay, done now with that.
This had this stuff pretty good. It had it on like, what did we put this on? Mostly just eat it out of the
But
pot.
right. The difference with this is that there's like 2 ways to make cheese. There's the culture and rennet
Which we
way,
usually do.
and that
We did in
that's
our last cheese video.
yeah, that was the last one. And then this is the one where you use an acid, which is the apple cider vinegar.
You can use lemon too.
Yeah,
That'll flavor it as
Yeah.
well.
and it's a
174.
right. Oh,
Getting there.
okay.
20 more degrees.
Don't look at it, Jelly.
We're not
Don't look at it.
focusing on it, so therefore it's working.
Right. And so it's not going to have a cheese kind of a flavor,
It's still
To
good.
it. but it's still good. It's good. It's yummy.
It's warm.
It's good warm. It's good yummy. It's just like, yeah, you
Yeah.
can do more things with it too. Yeah. Stop.
Give me more alfalfa because that worked last time.
Yeah, this is pretty good. Oh, remember? Ah,
What?
okay. What's the temperature at?
It is 180. We got 10 degrees. What was
All
it?
right. All right. Oh, if you get grain, remember we used to put there's two sides
Yeah.
to the dish, and we put one and one and one and one.
I remember that. Well, I don't know, 10 degrees, it seems to fly by pretty quick. Maybe next time.
No.
No.
No, I want a Cheerios game.
Yeah, you like playing that game, and then
was
you
pretty
wonder
good.
why there's a 4. Okay, 85. Oh, come on.
Come on, man.
85, 83, 81. Oh, boy, it's fluctuating a lot. I'm stirring it. That's not helping. 87.
Her.
Just don't look at it.
Okay, we're gonna look at jelly.
This
We're gonna look at jelly. Is it nice?
Is it ready yet? Is it ready yet?
Is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? Is it ready yet?
There
Is
you
it
go.
ready yet?
Almost. 84. Come on. It's so close.
You want to make sure that it doesn't exactly boil. It's just right before the boil.
Okay, 70.
Scorch or, yeah, I don't want to
70.
scrape exactly the bottom of the pot in case it sticks.
Jelly.
Burp.
I heard the glurp. Let it settle.
Settle.
So stir it a lot. And then stir it again. Okay. Okay, so why does it look like it's going down in temperature? It's maintaining 85.
Okay. We're
Ignore it.
not gonna look at it. We're gonna watch jelly.
We look at jelly and keep that. Yeah, tell that straw who's boss.
Yep. Who's the goat? Summer.
Oh, Summer, do you have commentary to add?
Yeah, Summer.
Are you gonna do the sideways face? You do that sometimes.
Yes.
What's the food?
We'll do the sideways face.
Nope.
Yeah.
You just noped out of there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna call it.
Almost.
We're gonna call it.
There we go. 190.
We're gonna call it.
Okay. We're gonna turn this off because reasons, and we're gonna add our vinegar. We're gonna stir it, and it's already starting to separate a little. It's turning yellow. There's that way. Just keep stirring. And then separate it out. Pretty sure there's a piece of straw in there. That's our special flavoring.
That's our terroir.
That's how you know it was us.
Yeah. What do you think, Jelly? That's
You want
weird. Heck
Yeah,
no.
with a spoon.
Oh gosh. I don't know.
But when you smell the steam off of that.
It's people food. Maybe we'll eat it.
Maybe. I know the humans are doing it, so maybe. Get that out of the way. And then get that organized. And then we'll strain it out. And then I'll stir it a little bit and then add salt. 'Cause there's still a lot of whey in it. You can still use the whey, we just strain it out. You need like a good protein hit or something.
You can also use this way if you've had like herbs or something in with the milk beforehand. There's some salt. There's a lot of salt. Okay.
There's no such thing as too much salt.
Well, okay.
Plus, you don't want to be the person where like you think you add too much salt and then somehow it always needs more.
Yeah. It needs more. And then you can also use the whey for to cook rice.
Protein hit.
Yeah.
Protein shakes have a lot of whey in them.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put it in our
You can use
ramekins.
a cheese press
And there's
there.
probably good cheese presses out there.
Yeah, and this is the right now press, 2 ramekins. Because we just started with a quart of milk.
And it's
Don't
so
have a
little.
lot. Don't burn your fingers doing this style.
Yeah, don't. I mean, it's cooled down to like medium warm, if that makes sense. There we go. Perfect.
Big. That was weird.
That's a weird smell.
All right.
And then hey, we can put it on things like
Oh, I know. You're okay. So what are you making?
we're making a cheese salad sandwich instead of an egg salad sandwich.
You down with that?
We don't have eggs.
Other than the cheese is vegetarian.
Yeah. Other than the goat has not been harmed, so I would say it's vegetarian. Alright, so
Not vegan. No, it's
Yeah.
not vegan.
okay,
Can't
well
do
I
it.
have to
Use a
pick it out
tool.
with the speed.
All right.
Because it's come on out, it's fine. It'll all be fine. There we go. And then we have
Cheese salad sandwich.
yeah, we have cheese, we have some spinach. This is a good lunch if you need to make a lunch that was supposed to be made 20 minutes ago. And then we have spinach, we have some cucumbers, and then some barbecue sauce on some toast.
Okay. Gluten-free toast.
Yeah. We like that.
Ah. Oh.
I'm dropping it.
Some for the barn mice.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think? Thank you, Jelly.
What do you think?
Give me the cucumbers. The rest of it smells weird.
You have one of those fair ones.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, don't drop it. Wouldn't dream of it.
Nope.
Yeah.
You want to feel that? Steven, you want some?
I want some. Wonky.
You want some? Wonky, you want to help with the next one?
Silence. Okay, I look
I
like
guess
Arden.
not. I have the other cucumbers, Shelly.
That's what you have. That's what's
Okay.
it.
Well,
All right.
if you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff. This is probably on my face.
But it's pretty good.
It looks good though.
All right.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna keep eating this.
All right. Ooh. Floor. Aww.